Ooh. Oh, okay. It is a sleepy Monday afternoon. So I thought we'd do some reaction videos to pet sounds or animal sounds and how the pups react to that. We will start with the sounds of a baby sloth. Let's see what you guys think. Okay, nothing out of them. Sloths, no reaction out of the pups. Let's see what we can get to wake Zeus up. Here is a Siamang monkey from the Riverbanks Zoo. Let's see if monkeys get the pups all worked up. What's that? Look at you guys. You're all worked up. What's that noise? What's that noise? Let's do it like that. Okay, the next set of sounds are cute puppy noises. It's a compilation. Alright, that one really got them. Who would have thought other dog sounds get them all worked up? What do you think? That's it, you hear? Okay. No more animal sounds, alright? Just bones. I don't want to make it feel like I'm teasing them with the sound, so we're gonna give them some treats and also showcase a new trick that I've been working on. Alright, sit. Sit. Good. Shake. Yeah. Good job. Shake. Good. Shake. Good job. Alright. Let's do it again. Okay, ready? Let's get up. Okay, good. Sit. Sit. Guys, the camera's rolling. Sit. Good shake. Good shake. 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 Yeah. Good job, baby girl. Snacks for everyone. Yeah! Yeah! So I thought I was gonna end the pup date there, but I got a call from World News Tonight, and they wanted to use the rescue story, so it's about to come on. Yeah?
Monday tonight, America Strong, 2 puppies and 1 amazing road trip. It all began with a road trip a little more than a year ago. 30-year-old documenting every moment.
Okay, I'm driving up to the Grand Canyon in the middle of nowhere, Arizona.
When all of a sudden he spots something in the road. 2 things, in fact.
You will not believe what I just found in the middle of the road. Come here. Come here. I couldn't encourage enough for others to adopt as well.
Tonight,
crazy.
And a journey that continues. So many animals in need of a home. 2 puppies finding one. I hope to see you.
Boy, you got over a minute. That's a lot.
Pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.